So just at Paradise Point on the Gold Coast, these have been built by Breakwater Homes and designed by Imagine by Design. Our head designer, Jack Williams, did this one. So they've introduced a few curves on the front facade and a combination of different materials. So it's 4 units, 3 stories each. Downstairs they've got like a little laundry. On the first level they've got all the living area and kitchen. And then on the top level, they've got 3 bedrooms. So there's 1 bedroom. Here's the main bathroom. Second bedroom. And this is the master bedroom. So it's got a walk-through robe and the ensuite down the end here.